Here we fitted a Ghost Immobiliser with an optional tag. Now, everyone knows that with the Ghost, all you have to do is enter various buttons on the car and that disengages the immobiliser. Well, a lot of people don't know you could actually add an optional tag with it. So let me demonstrate with this particular car. Now, this is a Range Rover Sport, and I don't need to be saying the fact that these are heavily stolen and any sort of form of security is a must. So let me show you first, trying to start it without doing anything at all. So if I try to start now, and it just dies. So it's completely immobilised. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to introduce the tag. So this is the actual tag, and that's the key. So just to show you the size. So if you come over, so without actually pushing any button, just basically push the start button to get it started. Now, the indicator flashes twice to say that it's recognised the tag, and now can start it. And actually the vehicle's now started. So this is ideal if you didn't actually want to enter the code on the vehicle. Some people do not want to actually jump in the car, have to enter a code, wait for the two flashes and then start the vehicle up. This is basically all you do is just carry that with you, turn the ignition on, it'll recognise it, it'll de-immobilise, and then you can start it. So you don't actually have to push any code. So it's a nice sort of extra feature that you could add to the Ghost. Now, it doesn't mean that this has to be done at the time of installation. So if you already have a Ghost Immobiliser and you're thinking, well, hold on a minute, the tag would be quite a nice thing to have, sort of getting a bit fed up of entering the codes, then you know, you could add this to your existing immobiliser that you've got already. So that's an option. So that's the Ghost Immobiliser with the optional extra tag fitted to this Range Rover Sport.